guys, and this is a new video about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to use different masks and filters on this application, so let's check how to do it. First and foremost, we need to open the Snapchat, and right now we are on the default screen to create a new story on the Snapchat. The first step I will show you is how to add some masks for the video recording, so we just need to scroll the period list to the right or left side to activate some masks. It's so cool because the Snapchat app has a lot of very nice and interesting masks. I'm sure that you will find the most interesting for you, and if you know the name of the mask you want to activate, or if you want to find some of the most popular masks, you can swipe the period list to the very end and tap on the search feature. Here you can find a lot of very cool and new masks, but if you want to, you can also go to the trending option and section to activate another the most popular, as I said, masks. For example, this one. To create a story, a photo story using this mask, you just need to pick on this shooter button one time. But if you want to record a story, you just need to hold on this central key for some seconds and free your finger. Well done, guys! But how to activate filters for your Snapchat story? I will remove each of the masks right now and we'll go to the default screen. Let's create a new photo. So how to activate some filters for it? We just need to swipe our screen to the left side. In this way we can choose any filter we have on the menu, for example this natural one, this marble, this dark, indie, etc. I'm sure that you will find some filter you like the most. And let's send it to our Snapchat story. I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful and needful. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides and tricks about the Snapchat app and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!